Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to get the premium pass for Pokemon Trading Card Game Pocket, enjoy the free trial, and cancel it before the trial ends. Let's get started. Tap the ticket icon at the top of the game screen to access subscription options. Upgrading to the premium pass offers perks like extra packs, one additional pack daily, premium missions, access exclusive missions with cards like Pikachu. Updates may include new cards. Free trial, 2 weeks of premium benefits at no cost. How to subscribe and cancel. Subscribe by selecting the Premium Pass option. A payment method is required. To avoid charges, cancel at least 24 hours before the trial ends. 1. Tap the Gold Pass and select Cancel Subscription. 2. In your device's subscription settings, cancel the free trial. You'll still enjoy premium benefits until the trial period ends. Premium Pass Rewards. After subscribing, you'll receive booster packs and access to previously locked missions. Already completed missions will unlock rewards automatically. We also opened 2 booster packs to show what you might get. Some great options like the Pikachu token card are available. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more Pokemon TCG content. Thanks for watching.